Hello students, good morning. In the last video, we had discussed about your how long was your biggest fish, how many times longer was your bigger fish than the smallest fish in the world. That time we had taken an example in which the smallest fish was of size 1 centimeter and the biggest fish of your own was of 2 meter, and thus we had found out it the biggest fish was 200 times longer than the smallest fish. So today we shall know something about the biggest fish in the world. So the biggest fish in the world is the whale shark. The whale shark. पहली बात तो मैं तुम्हें इतना बता दूं कि व्हेल शार्क एक व्हेल नहीं है. व्हेल शार्क एक व्हेल नहीं है. तो फिर ये क्या है? व्हेल क्या है और फिश क्या है? यह है एक बिग फिश. सो द बिगेस्ट फिश इन द वर्ल्ड इज द व्हेल शार्क. दैट इज नॉट ए व्हेल. सो देयर इज obviously a doubt comes to our mind, what is whale and what is fish. Generally we don't compare this. We know generally we have an idea that whale is the fish, but here as to the book we shall learn that whale is not a fish and fish is not a whale. There are some difference between them. So what are the differences? We shall know it today. Whale it breathes like we do. Means through its nose. Through the nose. So whale जो है ये हमारे तरह ही ब्रीथ करता है और डायरेक्ट एयर लेता है इसके नोज की मदद से. और जैसे कि आपको पता है फिश breathes through its gills. It takes air directly, and we can say the fish it takes in water. It takes in water. ओके. सो ये वाटर को लेकर वहां से, जैसे कि वाटर में क्या होता है? H2O. H मीन्स हाइड्रोजन एंड O मीन्स ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन जो हमारे ब्रीथिंग के लिए जरूरत होता है, हर एक लिविंग बींग्स के लिए ऑक्सीजन ब्रीथिंग प्रोसेस में जरूरी है. और फिश जो है वो क्या करता है? डायरेक्ट वाटर ले लेता है और वाटर से छान के वो ऑक्सीजन को लेता है. लेकिन व्हेल ऐसे नहीं करता. व्हेल क्या करता है? वो डायरेक्ट डुबकी लगाता है, एक बार ऊपर उठता है और फिर एयर लेकर फिर नीचे चला जाता है. क्लियर? और भी है डिफरेंस. और क्या है? इसके टेल के बारे में, इट्स टेल लुक्स लाइक टू लेग्स। जो व्हेल का जो टेल होता है वो दो लेग की तरह दिखाई देता है, लेकिन जो फिश होता है इट्स टेल इज फ्लैट along the body. Flat along the body. So इस टर्म को समझने के लिए एक बार अपने बुक को देख लेना। यहां पर देखो 3 पिक्चर्स दे रखे हैं और हमें ढूंढने के लिए कहा है कैन यू स्पॉट द फिश इन द पिक्चर। यस, दिस इज द फिश बिकॉज फ्लैट थ्रू द body, clear, flat along the body, but here this looks like 2 legs। देखो कैसे आ गया और यहाँ 2 लेग की तरह निकला हुआ है। So these are the differences between a whale and a fish। तो इसको बढ़िया से नोट कर लेना। अब आगे हम अपने प्रॉब्लम की ओर चलते हैं, देखते हैं क्या प्रॉब्लम दे रखा था इसमें। अभी कंपेयर करेंगे हमारे स्मॉलेस्ट फिश, इट इज द कंपैरिजन बिटवीन द स्मॉलेस्ट फिश इन द वर्ल्ड एंड द बिगेस्ट फिश इन द वर्ल्ड। सो as we know, the smallest fish in the world is 1 centimeter long, but the largest fish, that is the whale shark, the whale shark is 18 meter long, 18 meter long। So can you compare the length of the whale shark and the smallest fish? How many times longer is the whale shark than the smallest fish? So your question is how many times the whale shark is longer than the smallest fish? So write down this question on your notebook, and now I am going to solve it before you. As discussed in the previous class, you can solve it by yourself. Just I am giving the hints. You can take 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So what is the length of whale shark in centimeter? As in the previous class I have clearly told it that we have to change the units, यानी कि we have to make the units same for the comparisons. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and the length of the whale shark is given in meter. So we have to convert 18 meter is equal to 100 into 18 is equal to 1800 centimeter. And the smallest fish is only 1 centimeter. So how many times the whale shark is longer? 1800 centimeter divided by 1 centimeter, that is 1800 times. So you can write the answer like this. Thus the whale shark is 1800 times longer than the smallest fish in the world. Smallest fish in the world. Okay? So you can do it by yourself. If can't do, or at the time of doing the problem any doubt, you may watch the video and solve it, but first try to do it by yourself. Okay? अभी हम और एक एग्जाम्पल को भी ले लेते हैं इसी सेम वीडियो में, जैसे कि व्हाट इज योर हाइट. Your height must be like 1 meter or 1.2 meter or 1.5 meter, like that, or not more enough that. So suppose your height is 1.2 meter, okay, and the question is, how many times or how many children like you must stand one on top of the other, one on top of the other, to gain the length of a whale shark. Whale shark of 18-meter length. Okay? So this is a very beautiful question for you. Your height is 1.2 meter. How many children like you must stand one on top of the other to gain the length of a whale shark of 18-meter length? So, can you understand the question? You are here. One will stand on you like this, on the top, and another child will stand here like this, and each of them are of height 1.2 meter. So the question is asking, how many 1.2 meters will make 18 meter? So very simple, that is also you will do the division process and the answer will be like this. Try to do it in your process and first try to do it by yourself, then if any doubt you may watch the video. Clear? So 18 meter by 1.2 meter. Dear students, you can watch it like this. It is 18 meter. If you don't know about the decimal system, then you have to do it or convert it into centimeter. So I will show the two processes here. 18 meter is equal to first make it 1800 centimeter by 1.2 meter means 1 meter 100 centimeter and 0.2 means 20. So 120 centimeter. And when we will do it, first make it divisible by 60. 63 is 180 and 32. Then divide it 15. So 15 children like you. So you can write the answer. 15 children like you must stand one on top of the other to gain the length of a well shark of 18 meter length. Clear? Another process I will show it now. Suppose we will not convert the unit because the units are same. So we can do it like 18 meter by 1.2 meter. That is, convert the decimal into fraction first. So 18 by 12 by 10. That is 18 into 10 by 12. And 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 6 3 is 18 and 3 5 is 15. Clear? So 15 children like you can stand one on top of the other to gain the length of a whale shark. You can do it like this or you can do it like it was before. Okay?